Hey YouTubers! Today, I'm diving into something that's gonna level up your YouTube game big time. We're talking about TubeRanker. Alright, let's get started with setting up your account. First, head over to TubeRanker.com. You'll see a big sign up button. Go ahead and click that. Enter your email, create a password, and boom, you're in. Now let's talk features. First up, the Keyword Explorer. This is gold for finding those high-traffic, low-competition keywords. Just type in a topic, and TubeRanker will spit out a bunch of keyword suggestions. You'll see metrics like search volume and competition score. Next, there's the Competitor Analysis tool. Ever wondered why your competitor's video ranks higher? Just enter their channel name and TubeRanker breaks down their strategy for you. Watch time, engagement, keywords, they reveal it all. Another awesome feature is the Video Optimization tool. Upload your video details, title, description, tags, and TubeRanker will score your video and suggest improvements. It's like having a personal YouTube coach. TubeRanker also offers a rank tracker. This feature lets you monitor your video's ranking over time for specific keywords. You'll get real-time updates, so you always know where you stand. Finally, let's not forget the Content Ideas Generator. Stuck on what to create next? Enter a keyword, and it'll provide a list of trending topics and video ideas, perfect for keeping your content fresh and engaging. So there you have it. From setting up your account to exploring key features, TubeRanker is your ultimate YouTube sidekick. Ready to take your channel to the next level? Get started with TubeRanker today. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click that bell for more awesome tips. See you in the next video.